the new Huawei Watch 2 seems to be identical to last year's clock, in addition to the addition of an eSIM to replace the nanoSIM support, which is a significant change. With eSIM, which replaces the plastic SIM card with a smaller, electronic, the watch can share the same phone number as your mobile device, making it more convenient. Since eSIM is much smaller than nanoSIM, it is better suited for smartwatches. The Apple Watch 3 uses eSIM, as does Samsung Gear S2 and S3. You can still get a Huawei Watch 2 compatible with nanoSIM or a model with Bluetooth only. In addition to the new eSIM technology, the 2018 version of the Huawei Watch 2 will have the same design as last year's Watch 2, an AMOLED 390x 391.2-inch screen protected by Gorilla Glass and powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 2100 processor. It has 768 MB of RAM and 4 GB of ROM. It has an IP68 waterproof rating, which means that the watch can withstand a dive of up to 98 feet. It seems that the company is keeping any specification updates for a Watch 3, as long as that arrives. Clock 2 with eSIM costs $310, 1,988 Chinese renminbi yuan, which is roughly the same as last year. It comes in black or orange. The Bluetooth version costs $240 cheaper than 1,540 Chinese renminbi yuan and is available in gray or black.